Ang low-carb Mediterranean way of eating is anti-inflammatory, kapatid. Especially if you're doing the fasting, because fasting is what? Nagkakaroon tayo ng autophagy, nagkakaroon tayo ng time para ang katawan ay mag-take a break at ang katawan po ay makapagpahinga at makapaglinis ng sarili niya. Lalo na pag sinamahan natin to ng exercise. At ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat, yung mga joint pains na yan, stiffness, maybe a correlation with stress. Because sometimes, when you're stressed out, it manifests in your body as well. It's a combination thing, kapatid. Hindi lang iisa ang treatment sa ganyan. Hindi lang basta diet lang, hindi po. So, you need to lower your stress levels. You need to eat properly. Natural na pagkain, low-carb Mediterranean. You need to fast. You need to move. So, holistic ang approach dyan, kapatid. Hindi lamang po yan madadala sa bastang, okay, maglo-low carb lang ako.